Hello everyone, if you're searching for an affordable and versatile wireless lavalier microphone for your content creation needs, today's review is just for you. We're going to dive into the Shaevle wireless lavalier microphone model SW16. Before we begin, I'd like to thank Shaevle for sending me this product to test and review. As always, this is my unbiased opinion and I was not compensated in any way for this review. Let's start with the unboxing. The Shaevle SW16 comes in a compact, well-designed box with the image of the item on the front. Inside the box there is the carrying case. It looks really good and is decent quality. Inside this case there are a USB-C to Lightning cable, a USB-C to a USB-A cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a 3.5mm audio cable, a 3.5mm headset, the so-called dead cat, the user manual, one transmitter with a built-in microphone, and one receiver with a 3.5mm TRRS connector. The package is straightforward, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. Let's have a look at the transmitter and at the receiver. I'll start with the transmitter. At the top there is the actual mic. Then on the left side there are the on-off button, which dubs as a reverb button as well. The mic volume, the ENC noise cancellation button, which dubs as a mute button as well. On the other side there are the charging port and the 3.5mm jack to monitor the sound in real time. At the back there is the clip. Now let's have a look at the receiver. At the top there is the on-off button. On the left side there are the Bluetooth button and the docking function on-off, meaning that when pressed, the background noise will be temporarily lowered down when you start talking. On the other side there are the charging port and the 3.5mm jack for connecting to camera. At the back it has the clip. Before we dive into the product specifications, let's set it up so we can test it. Setting up the Shaevle SW16 is a breeze. Charge both the transmitter and receiver using the provided USB-C cable. Fit the dead cat at the top of the transmitter. Turn on the transmitter, there are two green lights. The one at the top will flash green until it connects to the receiver. Turn on the receiver. Now the flashing green light will become solid, meaning that the connection succeeded. First I will show you how to connect it to your smartphone. Use the Type-C cable included in the case to connect the receiver to your smartphone. Open a recording app and start recording. It is that simple. And this is how it looks connected to the camera. Just use the 3.5mm audio cable and fit the receiver on top of the camera by using the clip. The plug and play functionality means no additional apps or drivers are required. For the purpose of this video, I will switch to the Shaevle wireless lavalier microphone to test and hear how the mic sounds. Hopefully this will be an important factor in your decision to go for this product. Now what you hear is the voiceover recorded via this wireless microphone. Let's carry on with the review. The model is SW16, it uses a 2.4 GHz wireless transmission. The range is up to 160 feet or 50 meters. The battery life is approximately 6 hours on a full charge. It is compatible with iPhone, Android, DSLR cameras, laptops and PCs. For features, plug and play, real-time monitoring, noise cancellation. I tested the Shaevle SW16 in various scenarios. For indoor recording, it captures clear audio with minimum background noise. For outdoor recording, it has a stable connection up to the advertised range with consistent audio quality. The noise cancellation feature effectively reduces ambient sounds, making it suitable for interviews, vlogs and live streaming. At the time of the review, the Shaevle SW16 is priced as approximately $35 or £35, making it an affordable choice for content creators on a budget. In conclusion, the Shaevle wireless lavalier microphone SW16 is a reliable and cost-effective solution for those seeking wireless audio recording capabilities. Its ease of use, decent range and noise cancellation makes it a worthy addition to your recording setup. I will definitely start using this microphone and also on my other channels. Thank you Shaevle for sending me this product to test and review. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Hit the like button if so, and consider subscribing and hit that bell icon to be notified of other product reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.